Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to iPhone 14 Pro. You need to begin by opening Play Store on an Android and App Store on iPhone. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. After that, install this free app from this developer and open it on both devices. Now, on iPhone, you need to click on Allow in the pop-ups. Then select Yes, I agree or No thanks and tap on Close this window. After that, click on OK in this pop-up. Then go to your Android and tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to choose Receive on your iPhone and Send on an Android at the bottom left corner. Following that, just tap on all of those type of dots and select Send over here. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo. Click on Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by clicking on this scanning icon on iPhone, then selecting OK in the pop-up and pointing our device's camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here and click on Receive. As you can see now, after a couple of seconds, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!